What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe, then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We've just hit 20k subscribers, so thank you all so much. Let's get to 30. Check out all the links in the description. Thousands of dollars of free crypto down there, along with signals, COINCALLS, TA, alpha and memes in our private Discord, accessed by signing up to our Patreon. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. So we're just taking a look at Elrond here, and as we can see, it's still stuck under this resistance line, isn't it? You can see it quite clearly here, that basically like pretty much every single crypto in the market, we're looking fairly similar to Bitcoin in terms of structure. You can see obviously we had this big, massive pump all the way up to the all-time high of $545 off the back of the Mara exchange here, basically getting launched. And we can see since then it's been pretty much all down for Elrond. We basically come down, had the massive capitulation event on the 4th of December where we came down to this swing low here. We got the wick all the way back up to this level here, but we came, we slowly trickled back down towards the previous all-time high where we pulled our fibs from. You can see here. We come back up to the top. We basically form the range, bottom, top, bottom, and then, once we start to lose this level as support, it turns into resistance. We get the roll over to the next level. We come down towards our 0.78 here, and you can see we come back up to retest that resistance line multiple times on the way down here, and every single time we have rolled over so far, which is obviously forcing us to the downside. So looking like we're forming some very tasty bullish divergences right now. The price action here wanting to force its way down. RSI is coming up. We do think a lot of cryptos are looking like this right now, that they are starting to form these big bullish divergences. And it's maximum fear in the market right now. Everyone's basically shitting themselves, aren't they? Thinking, no, the bear market's here, Elrond's going to go back down to $50. Yada. Bitcoin's going to 10k and all this kinds of stuff based on some random head and shoulders that people have drawn in. And the last time that a head and shoulders formed like that, it didn't actually play out. So obviously there's a lot of hope in from the bears currently that, they're feeling great. But then there's maximum fear in the market for all the bulls. And the last time this happened, obviously we had that massive move to the upside, didn't we? So it's no surprise that, basically the move to the upside is very close in our opinion. Because, when it's time for maximum fear, that's usually where things do start to move back to the upside. You can see on the chart for Elrond here, it's getting very overextended as well. Quite clear that, once you get into this very oversold territory, we had a little bit of a bounce here as well. And if we come down into this area again, in and around this area here at the 0.78, we could easily see a bounce in our opinion. In terms of the macro structure, things still looking really bullish in our opinion as well. Massive run up here. Higher high, higher low, higher high. And then even if we came down to the 618 here, this would still be a great higher low for a continuation in our opinion. Elrond looking like a great project. Obviously the fundamentals are pretty good. And we'd say realistically, when we've seen the narrative for a lot of other smart contract platforms, obviously we've seen how well the Avalanche and Solana have done. Phantom is starting to do well. Near is doing really well. And we do think Elrond, it could be due for a rotation of capital fairly soon once it does start to flesh its ecosystem out. So we'll just keep things really short and sweet then and do short-term price predictions. If we look, basically we're going to take a look at the hourly time frame here. We formed a bit of a range again, haven't we? Looking something like this. The top of the range being that previous support, the bottom of the range being that 0.78 level. You can see here with the current price of $180, obviously if we roll over here and we lose that low, we'll probably be heading down towards that $140 mark at the 618 here. Although considering, that would be a very large drop. We'd say realistically, we could find a bit of support maybe at around $160, $150 as a psychological level if we did roll over and lose this low. Although we would be expecting this low to probably hold because you can see all the bullish divergences that are happening here. We could get a slight overextension and a reversal in our opinion. And then obviously we want to see ourselves breaking that resistance, which is currently at around $190-ish, isn't it? 195, maybe $200 here. Obviously that's a huge psychological number. Break that, break the resistance, back test, head up towards the top of the range at $225, get the continuation and get things back on track. And then as we said before, we think Elrond obviously a massive project. Considering the market cap and considering what Solana and Avalanche have done, Near is currently doing, Phantom's probably on the way as well. Polygon's done extremely well. I mean, we could easily see this doing a 5 or a 10x in the next 6 months, in our opinion. So that's it, guys. We'd like to thank you all so much for your support. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with the 4 videos we post every single day. Make sure to join the Patreon or YouTube membership to support us, as well as getting a ton of benefits. Crypto Maximalists will get access to daily signals, coin calls, alpha on new projects, and insight into our own personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes you beyond, giving you a look at our own personal portfolio, super low cap gems, 100x potential portfolio, and constant access to us personally as a resource. We're constantly in the Discord posting daily and chatting to members, and we'll be hosting giveaways soon, so come and join a community rich with value and content. Remember, you can also join our public section of the Discord too, where we post news, technical analysis, daily updates on the markets, larger cap gems, and the occasional meme. There's absolutely no reason not to get involved with all that value. Links are all in the description. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.